Let's look at this SMD resistor, which has a marking of 12X. The marking looks a little confusing. There's a table to refer to called the EIA 96 marking rule table. Let's have a look. 12X can be broken down to 12 and X. From our table, we can see that code 12 corresponds to 130. X is the multiplier, which in this case is 10 to the power of -1, which equals 0.1. So now we have 130 multiplied by 0.1, which is, of course, 13. So the value of our resistor is 13 ohms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more electronics videos.